In this video, we're going to talk about 3 easy steps you can start doing right now to become an improvisational soloer. And improvisational soloing is probably one of the most fun things about guitar. The first thing you want to do is find a song or a backing track that you want to play along to and identify what key it's in. So the backing track I just used, that was in A minor, which has all the same notes as C major, something we learned in some of the theory videos. Now what we're going to do is go to the second step. Once you know the backing track and you know what key it's in, A minor, go to the scalerator and plug in A minor. It's going to give you a visual outline of all the notes on the fretboard that you can play in A minor, which is really an amazing tool. So once you have that plugged in, you're going to go right to the third step, which is play the song, look at the scalerator, and start experimenting with the notes that you have in front of you. So something I might do for the A minor scale and the backing track we have, I might start with A, just start on the root note of the scale, and just go up the A minor scale as we learned it. And then just find out what notes sound cool to you. 7 and 8 are fun to play with. You want to try all the different intervals. Maybe try skipping a note and try 1, and then 3, then 5. And see how they sound over the different chords in the backing tracks that you play along to. And once you start experimenting, that's where really the fun is up to you. You can start implementing some sliding, some hammering on, pull-offs, and a lot of the techniques we learned in our technique videos are also in A minor. So you won't have trouble even just trying some of the exercises we've learned and applying them directly to an A minor backing track. So with the scalerator in front of you, experiment with all the notes you can find and see how many different places along the fretboard you can start soloing in. Find the root note at different points in the fretboard, do some sliding and hammering on different notes, and you can really have a lot of fun. So that should give you enough tools to really start improvisational soloing. And start simple. That's the main best thing I can tell you, is even experimenting. How does the 1 sound if I just play it throughout the whole thing? How does the minor third sound if I just play it throughout the whole thing? And you can experiment note by note. So start simple, and eventually you'll become an excellent improvisational soloist.